the same team. I transfer only one player and two players. Step by step, the player is go up. We play good. Need experience. About some player from Adwana, I play second division, first division before coming in the Premier League.
Eno Adriana Stars head coach Yoba Aristika na de sansamno enso etudwa endra omu bepiemu Kumasi a Asante Roko etwomo ekabako a omu entimi ante Kwame Poku beye ena first half no opusu atena no enso edema Kumasi Asante Koroko na coach oye head coach edema Bebiani Gold Stars Frimpong Manson ono so after Nilusa Okonya against Vision FC no or in some say etudwa.
Well, I think it's one of those things. They played well, especially in the first half. For me, yes, it doesn't change anything for us. Although we've lost, but I will give credit to Vision. They played well.
Eno Frimpong Manson head coach Edema Bebiani Ghost. I'll see BBNC BBA and Society. Yes, league no oye there. Gold Stars and Edaso and so Edasro Nanajiman on also and head coach Edema Vision FC or say game no more boy about 80% omune dominate.
I think that throughout the 90 minutes probably we played about 80% of the game. We had total control. Possession was really good. We were able to build up from phase one. The boys had lots of confidence. The team shape was really good in terms of attack. It was really good in defense as well. I think generally the game we played today is almost like the second half that we played against Hatzefolk. My boys were very confident. We won the game 2-0. I mean, I can't fault them for anything. Bibiani didn't really create any chance against us. And for me, I love my boys for this particular victory.
Eno head coach Edema Vision FC Nanajiman ede sansem ni tudwa or say Gold Stars for no oman kreti chance bia oman sheda me bobo bia enso e was a game nim na memenda no enam de tudwa say CAF president Dr. Patrick Mosepe e wo Ghana ha African School Games eba so no ono nso ede nani abetwe mu e wo ha na edi kan no odensem atudwa afa Ghana Yeman Penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Yentie CAF president.
I am so thankful and so proud of the commitment of President Mahama and his commitment to work together and the work that he's been doing. And you know, I've been watching what has been happening, and I also saw the work that he did as the previous head of state. And that's why I concluded by saying that I'm grateful to him, I'm grateful to the government, and I'm grateful to the people of Ghana and to the people of the continent. Okay.
Eno Dr. Patrick Mosepe, CAF president, and obo Ghana Yeman Penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And so abaso na omu meeting no ESCO meeting na se no they say announcement kese bi papie ya yetena se full time ne so a yede ni nyina ebetu dwa na mom no momma me third place results no na yehwe na fenso yenyane ensori na foreign news no emeto aso ntino African Games no third place no momma me results no said ye eno nso esifa ekoye ewo hono ena fenso say ena koye yes Senegal were third place no omonso elusui enso ekamiensa emomotimu mienu ena afenso eyade se wo emema na afem nso no Uganda enso etimi ehye Ghana ehye Uganda ekamienu enso ewo hono entino yewie no na chese mana from the Ghana yenso ena yaje trophy no ede esi ye naso enso ewo hono kama enso ewo hono entino yes His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and ode trophy no ehye emaba no enso ensem ewo hono ntino megina we so na mede F7 nyina esia na afenso no yako enkofo nkroso wa manone na El Clasico no ensema ekoso nyina ene aropei meye honored to announce the big fish. I was some passports. Powers.
Orlando. So you be able to call there.
Powers. Nigeria too much.
That's it.
Yes. And him say ye tear for ne ya for or mo ye happy say empanyin for Edward be cut him ne ho. Ye ma wakwa ba pa.
It does so.
Me hu say MC a ho mo sere. Say Powers the uhia introduction bia wo krom ya. Pe o record ne adwuma wa ye de uhia introduction bia. Enti ena no pe de. Akrasiko no enkofo we ye de Madrid fo ye de but Lami Yama 2 assists and what say Master Vinicius mo on a big stage Lami Yama keka ne ho kakra e ma bibia etimi koye nti no anope de 1 will be etie and anope Sompa 93.1 and afenso Sompa TV so
That's Orlando. Until we so we the tip off.
Aye.
Until you pre minimum kakre.
Yeah. And you know, yes, Powers. My Grace is almost person keka on Ransford. Omo keka omo kakra. Enti mo omo keka omo.
Enkombra.
Oh, lelebo jiwo nyongo. Kewo he wale. Oh, jimano power.
For you now, baby, now for Yentua Jumedian, so Sompa 93.1. Embraso say forensic foreign news. Ya pro ya minim kakra wa tip off na so Yakopon Yadma 9:30. Ya besan so translate the details in na so etumi ediaba. Na Emma Fisher over the weekend matches kakra koso. Yansa sem free Copa del Rey na yema details no. When him say Copa del Rey FC Barcelona and another. Omutino omunem about 3 editor Madrid Boboku no. Na Madrid etimu mienu tu no kra tifri mo mbrese prince mo na enya sam ketwa game ni so on the 28 minutes and run it at Pedro Gonzalez Lopez the draw French Pedri ebo first goal at team FC Barcelona me patro de turn on the 70th minutes no Kylian Mbappe and so abete canon at the White Angels Madrid Boboku no but don't forget Sam and what and already Germany from France o making it two at Madrid now Sir Prince and Madrid falling now Wamujitenisa and they come back and so Yajuma Bafferan Torres Garcia Ebe Puri Palishi I'm a game the Kokia 2-2 and Sana Juice Kunte and so on extra time Basafono and so I lifted trophy no and no your dear few airpa and Anopay on Sompa 93.1 Yate Hun Samahu Tony na Edemi Tier 4 the part of the 10 year. And it's a game, everything that matters in football are just important. Ningna Equadma Pasa Bobokuno, don't forget the short, Yada Pasa about 22, as against Madrid Bobokuna, Wamosun Apo 15. Now on short on target, Wamra Pasa about 9, now Real Madrid and so already so 7. Ball possession, ballon de possession, 60% for Barca, 40% for Real Madrid. The part of passes, Yada 670 for Bobo Quantity Barca, of course 453. And so Echo Edema the White Angels Bobo Kuno, man of the match, Echo Edema Ferran Torres Garcia, and non Ayadia Corso, the Pacho Copa del Rey final, way 123rd edition of the Copa del Rey. Dear Corso, now Trevia Yan, the other one summoner at the MET for details, Baba Yankopa Yadman. 9:30 wamra betrase for a full time na yete ehon sama hoton so etumi diapa afi minko EPL kakra na minko nkoti nkomo ho Calvemo ene mo amwe MC ho mboaye na yewrem ewe EPL over the weekend. Chelsea say one and by Fatih Bobokono and so Entomantica no run attending Nicolas Jackson ono and said the only goal with Sarkinson mo wamra Brighton and Hove Albion when him some so share 3 mo West Ham United the Hammers Bobokono and so etimu mienu Ghana near Branton Day Eddie Kutus in the Kratcha FS Thomas Susek wamna bought 2 goals and my West Ham United Bobokono wamra Brighton and Hove Albion wamoso 3 goals no of run it in Adi Yasin Yari Anafi Karu Mitoma Kratcha FS Carlos Belota wamo about 3 goals at my Brighton Newcastle United that's a 3 ama Eastwood Town so say wamuko relegation wamoso Antimante Kamnubi na mefanto obianim sam Swedish International Kratcha Netedi Alexander Isak as a goal Kieran Trippier and of course boy friend say William Osula wamo about 3 goals no edima Newcastle United Bobokono me patro Southampton to film Fulham about 2-1 Wolverhampton Wanderers and so as a 3 Leicester City already relegated wamo so Antimante Mubi na the tennisem ogranite at Matthias Cunha on this 1 goal Jorgen Lawson as a goal wamo ogranite Rodrigo Gomez and making 3 for Wolverhampton Wanderers Bobokono the patro the tennisem Bournemouth as a 1 Timan Itadi Manchester United and so at a canon I'm a game ni kokwe 1-1 na game we no Ghana near Branton Itadi Anton Semenyo and run and also now trivia your performance once again was just super. He won the man of the match against him on no and 24 pound about so game na course no he was the best player. And of course, game I don't want not much was so na no NHS na Australia here our UK and England specifically and call 4 and so I course so Liverpool so 5 Tottenham Hotspur Etimu Bakon. What an interesting moment for Liverpool to lift their 20th EPL title. It was interesting over the weekend. Luis Diaz said first goal on the 16 minutes when the Argentine Kratcha the Alexis McAllister and so making it 2 Cody Gakpo with another goal and of course the Egyptian king Mo Salah. And game no epana wie you know na destiny Idogi and so asan ho adwumete no mo na wonim say game no so on the 12 minutes and Dominic Solanke and so as a first goal na do to na no adwen almost na ya Spurs and so be adwuma no adiama aye Arsenal na yate but ekokosi baby and no aye EPL no ho nkomo kakra ana yate won sama ho to de metie for adwumete no so nti so said yate and sam and fa and team saka no diamo baye Liverpool and they are the champions of the EPL this season. Now, Nyamiya Tomania Tenase 9:30. Our tip off in this, I'm a part of 4 time in this war. Yadiaka training ranon. And so bet me japa na bibia so atuma kama anu echi no when him say FA Cup games kakra koso na we no na your semi final 2 games in a course over the weekend. Nottingham Forest Man City Ebom 2-1 Rico Lewis on a goal and of course Josco Vadiol on and so making 2 Adima Man City Boboko and the Citizens Crystal Palace 3 Aston Villa 0 Orani Tadi Eberechi Eze all the way from Nigeria on also first goal Ismail Sarr on also 2 goals our game number the Crystal Palace so say all is set for the grand finale and no Bekoso Nyameya Tuma on the 17th of May next month and a game because Crystal Palace against Manchester City with Wembley and non ayati etota and not pay and yet on sama hoton and straight me pa so say me fan to any so elsewhere Italian Serie A na and my referee Manchester course March 34 so say Italian Serie A are very interesting ni nyina say after Inter Milan a lose game San Siro no a man Napoli Bobokun abada top of the Italian Serie A. Now over the weekend results in Kakrenie, William says Juve SE2, Monza Bobokun and Tumantimubi, Nico Gonzalez Shego, with Ranta Colomwani, and making it 2 for AS Juventus, the Bianconeris, the black and white Bobokono, and Maureen Fisher, Venezia Tifier, AC Milan, the Rossoneri's, black and red, almost a Tuamukobo Mutunio, Krataniting, and so the Christian Pulisic with the first goal, and of course, Santiago Jimenez. players making it 2 for AC Milan club no Inter Milan tifie Roma ebomu 1-0 Matias ayam Malvano on they said the only goal was against Napoli de Patanopes ebo 2 former ayam Manchester United player and the scored McTominay on they said 2 goals in na edema bobo kono ho and no ayakakra no so course over the weekend makacho so when you tip off and ti yeton kakra bi na diama yetnase I want 9:30 details no and so betima ba afi yempru yeminim kakra with some interesting stories na afi yempaje mu mami ogura ne daddy hands the flick in the picture no I was Sompa television no so ne nkomo obejoin Sompa TV our Facebook and so na yet inkomo ogura ne daddy hands the flick some friend obi a show ne so Sam I have always felt very happy to be at this club Opa club in the morning ya tell na niche dia koso ina no aniche wo ho sansa boys no actually so we professional according to the coach no or sing players no actually so we professional everything so benya players no bi be ye dia ensam fata so betwena so wonin crofo so ye adwuma ema adwuma no yefo wonin professionals ye adwuma ema adwuma no ye easy and ayo grand thing and so at the hands that flick and somebody to this morning you go so iden some out no at the me for super classico no announce classico mama me picture way ego Sompa TV ne so na me ndi nkomo kakra na picture ni nie so wo hwa ban wo so bossafo no wo mo mpenifo be sanson mami tactical analyst no mama me show picture no na me fendi nkomo kakra ni nyina no so tactical analyst mako enson hwe wo hwa Sompa wo be wo se Barca tactical analyst no woman at war, woman 7, woman a year juma, and so obia, the PC esinanim, archer so man analyze the game no, until first half, not just a brief coach no, I told the big game in the good question no, or mutum a brief coach no, and so I'm an so who dear niate, na Shabobo con attending Real Madrid, woman soon I am tactical analyst, woman year 2, not report I mean second all the way from Santiago Bernabeu, so going attended Don Carlo Ancelotti, where they can catch on Penifono. Sasa department of the team womuhwe na omumpifu team ni kakra the part of tactical analyst no omummiam na munyaten ba ya tamperifo mfi no anendei enoma ehwegu atema Madrid boboko so se dia kono Sir Prince one so amutim no munje ayam kura this is a better atema mo sense already no Arsenal tiamo e Champions League na mafi mo UEFA aye League. Don't forget and they Copa del Rey and also every Munsa dia akanon aya dia first La Liga no kran a bad thing at the Amamusa this season but finish season with a trophy and all and so aya some total and all afi muma yanko FC Barcelona after the game our dressing room how aya players is celebrate here our dressing room and mama sound kakra na yentie dia e coach so our aya Barca and so dressing room yentie kakra na yentwaso. Okay, immunity yanya sa na fi yanya na jan sorry afi eno ayade so ewo Barca dressing room no say Barca no ya sa akokọ de hwe bekum eko ba bia mo beti aya team an de Madrid no asem say o mo bu o mo sa 5 nyina na o mo de mo anu ayaden ade ama Madrid team no say ewo Barcelona for ensunsam nyankopon ya dom na 9:30 ya tena say beti nkomo na ya hwe den ana opani an de hands the taflik oba ya oyam sonko ama obo Madrid boboko nsa Madrid wo Champions League on performance krana wo muhia aye Barcelona as a born kra mo obi ta ba enye weekending na hoten wo so kakra ba so they did not produce the enough performance to lift the trophy and ye de course so over the weekend no min cross so na min ko UK min ko din komo ago boboko na din at Liverpool the part of Liverpool team no na mo so na anije no e wo so pa anti evergreen Jeffrey sorry mu team Liverpool na ya dia na nika mama ya share Liverpool we a dressing room after so ma lifting a trophy no how our players no were in jubilant mood na annual day we mu celebrate we mu 20th a Premier League trophy yenti eno so kakra. Okay, nti eno aya de echo so Liverpool dressing room no we aya tip off nti ya beti won kakra bi na de kire wo nyame ya doma 9:30 ya betena se team ni nyina e betena se 9:30 near the full-time sports eno ne yetena se ya ye ma details no in full meeting ade Emmanuel Mensa Bentum is Richardson Ember Power ye be share 9:30 omahene ye wadu boache etoa so with the morning show, of course the very best in this very country ye betwa so 9:30. I'm out.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer.